What's up, y'all? Today we're gonna be talking about how to become that girl and what it means to actually be that girl. So being that girl isn't what it seems. It's not about you being cocky and egotistic. It's not about you being all that in a bag of chips. Even though you can be all that in a bag of chips in your own way, okay? It's actually about self-fulfillment and achieving your goals. Doing things that make you productive, that are actually going to get you to your goals, such as making your bed, waking up early, eating the right foods, working out, etc. So step one of being that girl is awareness and recognition. This means you recognizing that you can have the life that you desire and actually believe it to be true. You want to make sure you get a clear idea of what that dream life is to you. Some ways that you can actually get a clear idea on what you want is having something called a vision board. Going on Pinterest, putting some pictures together, putting some type of collage together, printing you out a vision board for yourself. You can also create some type of list, write out all the things that you want to do. You want to write these down so they're actually more obtainable. Long-term goals from your short-term goals. What am I going to be doing in the next couple of years versus what am I going to be doing in the next couple of days, to weeks, to months, to add up to that year? What can I do to get me to this bigger goal by the day, by the week, by the month, by 6 months? You want to have a clear understanding of what that is and where you're going. So for instance, a really good example of this is a fitness goal. I want to lose or gain weight. How many times am I going to go to the gym? Maybe 3 to 5 times a week. Am I going to implement some type of protein into my diet? You want to make sure that you write this down so that it can be very, very clear for you to understand how you're going to get there. Now let's talk about how you can actually believe this to be true. Some great ways to actually do that is by manifesting what you want. You want to talk and speak your goals and see your goals as if you already have. Things that you can actually say to manifest these goals into your life is saying something like, I am so happy and grateful now. Something that you really want to remember is that you have to believe what you speak. If I don't actually believe this for myself, it's never going to get done. If I don't believe that I can actually obtain it, then I'm never going to get there. I'm never going to actually get to where it is I want to be. Step 2 of how to become that girl is knowing how to help yourself. When I say this, I mean internally. For me to get to where I want to be, I have to first internalize it. Some ways to actually do that is things such as journaling, reading books, therapy, etc. Also understanding that success is 90% mental and 10% physical. Most of the work that you're doing in order to obtain these goals that you want in your life are going to be mentally challenging. It's going to take the mental for you to get the physical. Step 3 of becoming that girl is creating your dream environment. Something that I just want to mention, do what you can do while you can do it. You have to make the best of the environment that you currently have right now. Understanding that this will not be your life forever. You can also create a new environment in your mind. Ask yourself, how can I make this environment more peaceful and thriving for me? Step 4 is creating routines for yourself. Creating new routines for yourself will help you stay on track. Something like a morning routine or a night routine. It takes 21 days to form a habit, 90 days to create a lifestyle. If you want to create some new routines in your life, you have to be consistent. You want to try to be as consistent as you can be so that you can actually begin to form those routines, form those new habits to actually create that lifestyle that you want. Step 5 is establishing boundaries and respect for yourself. So let's really get into the whole self-love, self-respect, self-worth. Step 5 is all about you loving yourself, you feeling worthy, you feeling respected, establishing those boundaries and not letting things or anyone or your environment or whatever the case may be get in the way of your success. Some ways you can actually do this is by journaling, reflecting, positive self-talk such as affirmations. You can write them out, you can listen to them, you can say them. All of these things work. Having positive people around you, not just the environment that you live in, but your environment as far as people in general. Make sure that you're surrounded by people that vibrate on the same frequency as you, that want the same things as you. Environment is such an important thing. This is all about knowing when to walk away from certain situations, knowing when to say no and not putting other people's needs before your own. Understanding that it's okay to be alone. You can't expect to be around or interacting with other people if you don't even really know yourself, if you don't even really love yourself, if you don't even really really care for yourself or respect yourself or feel worthy enough. You have to know what it feels like to be alone first before you can know what it feels like to be with other people. This is also a great time to really get to know yourself, love yourself. Everything that you feel like other people can do for you, you can do for you. Start doing it for you. If you gotta hug yourself, do all the things that you feel or deem necessary to make you feel worthy, to make you feel loved, because understanding that everything you need is already within you. You don't need anyone else. You be your own smile, joy, peace. And I promise you, you're going to be able to find yourself and you're gonna feel so much better. You're watching this video for a reason. Step 6 on how to become that girl is being resourceful. So you want to kind of be that girl that's always looking for the solution when there's a problem. You don't want to sit there and just let the situation or let the issue consume you. You want to be resourceful. Accept the situation as it is. Because you're focused on the solution, your problems will start to fade away. So step 7 of how to become that girl. This is ultimately my favorite one. I love this one. Okay. Drum roll, please. Live through your own experiences. I don't know how many times I have to say that. I don't know. Live through your own experiences. Something that I want y'all to remember from step 7 is the word stop, okay? Stop caring, stop thinking, stop worrying about what other people think. Stop being consumed by how other people feel. Stop living through other people's experiences. Stop. Step 7 is all about stopping. Enjoy your life for you. Don't live through other people, and don't let other people live through you. If you want to do something, do it. If you want to wear something, wear it. Do what you want to do because it's your life. Do things that make you happy and that align with you, and you'll get to where you want to be. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is all that I have for you guys today. Comment down below and share this with someone that you feel like may need this information. This is officially how you become that girl or guy that you want to see in your near future. I'll see you guys later.